Blade.
Am I in the video? Okay, hey guys. Whoa! Do I got anything on my nose? I got these spider webs up there.
Okay, this is my mom trying to figure out this jigsaw puzzle my brother gave to her. I mean, it's not like...
He hit me.
Is this how it goes? No, this ain't how it goes.
Let me see.
That's how it goes. Oh, but we broke it, Mom. We broke it.
Okay, so it was a blade brace. They was trying to put it together. When it goes back together automatically. You see, even parents these days can't figure that out.
You heard that? It goes back together automatically.
Isn't that sad, people? It is.
Isn't that sad that y'all give me a headache?
I don't really know about that.
Sorry, that's what goes on, people.
That's what a blade looks like. Mine is weak. I just bought it. This is my mom over here, sitting on the couch.